a lot going on here. Hello. Ow.
I just don't understand it. Instead of feeling happy, I feel sort of let down. I know how you feel about all this Christmas business. Getting depressed and all that. It happens to me every year.
We are going to wrap presents tonight. I am wrapping them by myself. Oh, there is a ball in here. This is from the Costco Advent Calendar, and you can tell this did not last very long. I'm not sure if it was meant to be opened like this. Kind of looks funky, but Nova approves apparently. So my sister was supposed to come over, help me wrap gifts, but since Grayson has the fever, change of plans. So I might end up wrapping all the gifts, which is totally fine. I'm just gonna put on a movie, either Four Christmases, The Grinch, or Christmas with the Cranks. I already watched Christmas with the Cranks with my sister last weekend, wrapping presents at her house. And I just love that movie. Everything about that movie is great. I love Tim Allen and I love his humor and everything. And what's her name? Jamie Lee Curtis. Yeah, them two together, they're like the best. So Evan is not home right now, so I should probably get his gifts wrapped first and then move on to the other stuff. I cannot have hair on my face, around my face when wrapping gifts. Nova, you are going to be the death of me. Having short hair is so nice now. I guess it's like mid-length, but now I have a little floof in the back. Okay, we should be good to go. Okay, off to Christmas wrap. When I had gotten home, I noticed this big white cooler box sitting at our front door. And it's from Omaha Steaks. It has, let's see what's in here. Caramel apple tart, 4 of them. Chicken breast, boneless. Meatballs, beef, filet, sirloin. Omaha steak burgers. It looks like a 4 count. Oh my god. Frank's Gourmet Gumbo or Jumbo and Omaha steak seasoning. I have no idea who got us this, but thank you. So change of plans. Evan is coming home in like 10 minutes, so I won't be able to wrap his presents at all. Like, I'm so behind. Like, this box of food that has probably been sitting here for a while needs to go in the fridge, and I haven't done that yet. So I should probably do that first. I'll probably just wrap Evan's presents on Friday. Yeah, because Christmas Eve is going to be busy. I can't believe I waited this long. This never happens, but I haven't been in the Christmas spirit. Yeah, so I'm gonna put this food away, gather all of my supplies, and then charge the battery real quick, and then I'll come back. Hey, rude, rude, rude. I need to change the sweater, it's getting hot. But you can tell our Christmas tree is very distracting, and it's super shitty because I was stepping on the button to put an ornament on the tree on the last video, as you saw. I was probably standing on it for too long and I broke something, and here we are. This tree has been blinking nonstop and I haven't had time to fix it. I tried like the simple solutions and it's not working. So we have been dealing with an SOS Christmas tree all month long, and it's great. So great.
Let it snow.
Okay, all the gifts are all done. I'm gonna put this all in the room. Then on Christmas Eve, I'll put them all under the tree. Okay, I kind of started this video a little abrupt. It is the next day, and we are going to try a place that sells corn in a cup, but they put Takis, spices, cojita cheese, all the good stuff. So it's called Sugar and Spice, and we're gonna check it out. I think we're almost here. Thank you. It has corn mayo, cheese, and chili sauce. We are going to tip her. It's always good to tip your people. It's the season to be giving. Whoa, look at that. Gracias, mija. Thank you. Have a good one. Two hands on the road. I only have one hand right now. Okay. Oh my god. Oh my god, look at that. This is the aftermath. pure deliciousness. 10 out of 10. Maybe not with the mayo and the Takis because it's getting a little spicy after each bite. Anyways, this was amazing. Definitely will be coming back. I wanted to go on here real quick and tell everybody what I'll be doing tonight. I am going to hang out with Emma, Elizabeth, Kaylee. We are going to look at Christmas lights. There's certain areas in the neighborhood that have the best phenomenal light show. So we're gonna go there, going out to dinner, and then last we're gonna go see a haunted house, like a Christmas theme haunted house. I'm very excited and nervous. I'm excited for the thrill, but nervous because this is not my like traditional festivity for Christmas time. We will all be there together. I am curious how it will turn out. It's gonna be really spooky and scary, but it's Christmas at the same time, so I'll report back and show everyone the fun stuff. See ya. Look at this disaster. Like, look at all this junk. It was getting a little hot, so I had to change. It's 9 o'clock, and we need to work on a Christmas project with the Cricut machine. So I bought 2 certificates, 2 paper certificates. We are gonna cut this in half and share each certificate on here. With the Cricut machine, I don't know if I should do some lettering back here and say Merry Christmas. I don't know. Or have it up here, treat yourself. Is ready to go for a ride? Do you guys want to go see Christmas lights? We do. We have to get your sweaters on.
We are going to go look at some Christmas lights to get ideas for next year. Making some hot chocolate for the road.
I want a Keen house for Christmas.
That's maybe.
Okay, I'll take a maybe.
That costs.
Is that your advent calendar? Do you want to show everybody what you got inside? You open it. It is the 24th. It's Christmas Eve. Look, I opened it. What is that? Oh my goodness. Nova is loving it. Shake it.
Baby one.
It's a baby one.
I like it.
You like it?
Yeah. Everything I do turns into a disaster. I guess I really don't know what Christmas is all about. Isn't there anyone who knows what Christmas is all about? I can tell you what Christmas is all about.